What's up, guys? It's your girl, Crazy Loser, aka Lucy, and today's video is the ginger challenge. If you don't know what ginger is, this is ginger. It's very spicy. People use it for tea and stuff. But yeah. So what we're gonna do is ask question about myself, and if one of my brothers get it wrong, they're gonna have to eat the ginger. The one that has the less points. I'm sorry for the. We got Mike, my brother Mike, and we got my brother Angel. So how do you feel about this challenge? Do you feel like you're gonna win?
Of course.
Do you feel like you're gonna win?
No.
No? Okay. So the results will tell. So you have markers and we have papers. So they're gonna answer the question, but they're not gonna look at the questions I have here. So let's get to it. Oh, and the person that loses has to eat the ginger for exactly 1 minute, and I have it on the phone here. Yeah. What's my favorite color?
I think I know this one.
Papers. Yeah, done?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you can bring up the papers.
Well, I think I want mine too small.
Angel is actually correct. My favorite color is actually blue. I really love the color blue. Sky blue is just my color. So Angel got 1 point right now. So I'm gonna write this down. Yeah. So, who is my favorite YouTuber? Bring up the papers. Bring up the papers. Bring up the papers. Okay, what was yours? FaZe Rug, and yours was the Dobre Brothers.
Then who was?
My favorite YouTuber is Dun 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 is oh my gosh, really, because I like his channel, and it's like he's always exploring abandoned stuff, and I love adventure, so I will go with oh my gosh, he's actually one of my favorites.
He's like Dobre.
He's my favorite YouTuber. So I like the Dobre Brothers and FaZe Rug, but I'll go with oh my gosh. When was I born? When was I born?
I don't even know this one.
You wrote it? Bring up the papers.
Oh man, I lost. 2000.
I was born in 2007. Yes, that's right. I was born in 2003. So I give Angel another point. Angel has another point. So Angel actually has 2 points right now, and the person that said he thought.
But how Angel knows you was?
And how you don't know me? You're supposedly my best friend. What's my favorite hobby? Something that I'm always doing, and I don't stop doing it. Relax. You're gonna drop the ginger on the floor, and we're not trying to stroke. What's my favorite hobby? Write it down, and you need to relax, okay?
Okay.
Put up your papers if you have
I think I got it backwards.
You said YouTube, doing your YouTube channel. Yes, doing my YouTube channel is one of my favorite hobbies, but one of my hobbies I love doing all the time is singing.
That's upset.
How don't they know this? Like, oh my goodness, I'm so ashamed.
Don't you like your YouTube channel? Why is it so bad?
What age am I? How old am I?
Oh my god.
You could use the same thing.
I'm finished.
You ready?
Finish.
Put up the paper. Yup, yeah, both correct. Yeah, both get the points. I'm actually 17.
Oh my gosh, why is it going backwards?
What's my favorite food? What's my favorite food? Anything.
Let me guess.
Okay. It could be anything.
I said, let me guess.
Just thinking, like, oh my goodness.
Hurry up.
Oh my god, he's like the slowest. It doesn't.
I just started.
Okay.
If I get this wrong,
Michael is actually right. Burgers is one of my favorite foods, so Michael get a point here. And please, write faster. Write faster.
That's why Angel's losing. Yeah.
So, let's continue. Who inspired me to be a YouTuber?
Oh, I know who did. Finish. Hey, why you looking at me? I did not.
He put the Ace family. No, that's incorrect. And more of J Stu Studios. I think it's more of J Stu. Something like that. Yeah.
I got it correct.
Yeah, that's correct. They inspired me to be a YouTuber. Favorite. Okay. What's my favorite subject? What's my favorite subject in school?
Okay. Your favorite subject.
Just put it.
Let me Math.
This boy, please.
No,
please.
Oh my
just
goodness,
write
bro.
the thing. Write it.
Mathematics. Math.
Okay, bring up. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun.
I'm trying to
Write the thing.
Oh, not yet.
He put social studies and he put math. He's correct. Mike is correct. Math is wrong. So right now, Michael's at the lead. He has 4 points. Angel only has 3. What place do I want to visit when I grow up?
I don't know.
He said Britain.
I said
and
pool.
he said pool.
I don't know.
Pool is not even a place.
It's a place where you
Britain is actually. I want to go to Europe. I love
No.
Europe. So let's do it.
That's Britain. Why did I say?
Yeah.
I should have said London.
Britain.
I should have said London.
So 4-4. They're back at it.
My eyeballs. I'm about to sit to crazy.
What's my favorite sport?
I'm done with my page now.
Okay.
Done.
Okay, bring it up for the audience to see. You put volleyball and
No
volleyball.
kids about this Britain.
Wow, they're the gingerbread. The ginger.
That scared me. One ginger killed. I feel like we're new.
So right now,
ginger down.
they're at 5, both of them. So it's like it's right here. If they both have a draw, I'm gonna have to eat the ginger. What's my favorite drink? My favorite drink?
Arizona.
Water.
Yeah, what is this?
Water is not
Arizona.
My favorite. Arizona is actually my favorite drink. So Michael went up. You better get ready. I don't have to eat the ginger.
Angel, good luck eating that ginger.
So, who is my favorite villain from all villains? From all villains in the whole universe, who's my favorite villain?
Of course not Thanos, because they're strange.
It is not Joker, and it is not Dormammu or Venom.
Oh!
My favorite Disney villain is Maleficent.
Wait, you didn't say Disney.
I said villains of all time.
She got that big thing. It looks like it's a mole. It's like 2 things coming. She needs vitamin D. It's like
My last question.
Someone's. It looked like
Dun, dun, dun.
After this question, one of you have to eat the ginger. But it's full of ginger. It's full of ginger.
We have one more question, and then one of you have to eat the ginger. What was the class I failed? One class I ever failed. Technology. I actually passed technology before and math. So, as you know, the person who's moving the whole route has to eat the ginger. Anyways, the class that I failed was actually chemistry. One time.
How am I supposed to know that existed?
Chemistry. This just in. Angel has to eat the ginger.
Yes,
Wait. Over here touching the ginger. So let's start the timer. We got 1 minute. Let's start it.
Alright, Angel, prepare yourself for.
You gotta keep it in there. You want more?
I thought you eat everything.
Here. Here, I got your back. I got your back too.
I'm not gonna make it.
Oh, it's still burning. You lucky. Team support. Okay, guys. If you like, oh, sorry about that.
It's still hot.
This one. If you like video, guys, please subscribe to my channel to see more videos like these. Like with family and friends, and also get notified. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.